Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video comparing two incredible cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We'll be evaluating these cameras in various categories to help you decide which one is right for you. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Both cameras offer exceptional image quality, but the Fujifilm X-T5 takes it to the next level with its class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor. The Panasonic LUMIX G95D still delivers superb image quality with its powerful 20.3 MP digital live MOS sensor. Whether you're a professional photographer or a photography enthusiast, both cameras will capture stunning details and vibrant colors. When it comes to versatility and portability, the Panasonic LUMIX G95D shines. Its lightweight Micro Four Thirds mirrorless design is weather-sealed, making it ready for any adventure. The camera also features a flexible free-angle monitor, allowing you to shoot from various angles. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 offers a compact and lightweight body, maximizing functionality and portability. Both cameras are perfect companions for your photography journeys. If you're into videography, both cameras offer impressive video capabilities. The Panasonic LUMIX G95D captures stunning 4K 24/30p videos and even supports pre-installed Vlog L, giving you maximum freedom during editing. Additionally, it allows you to output 4 to 2 2/8-bit video to an external monitor while recording. The Fujifilm X-T5 also delivers powerful video performance, ensuring you're ready for action. Both cameras provide high-quality video output, allowing you to unleash your creativity. Both cameras come equipped with fantastic additional features. The Panasonic LUMIX G95D offers features like Live View Composite mode, which allows you to compose a single image out of many shots. It also lets you adjust focus after shooting and provides options for in-camera development and retouching. In comparison, the Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X-series design, making it convenient to control key functions even with the camera switched off. Additionally, it boasts a 3-way tilting LCD and powerful in-body image stabilization. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Panasonic LUMIX G95D and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. Both cameras have their unique strengths, and it ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.